Good morning, children. Welcome to the new concept. Look at here. Here you can see trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2017. This trading and profit and loss account for which type of organization? Yeah, this is the sole proprietorship form of organizations, trading and profit and loss account, because the entire profit transferred to Angit capital account. That means no other person here to share this profit. So profit and loss account is a nominal account. So all expenses we debited to this account, and all income we credited to this account. In trading account, we received 57,000 rupees as gross profit. That gross profit we credited to profit and loss account and then charge all indirect expenses and indirect income. We got 19,500 rupees as net profit. This net profit we transferred to Angit capital account. This is the trading and profit and loss account of a sole proprietorship that we discussed in detail last year. Here, this year we are discussing about partnership. That means minimum 2 members, maximum 50 members. Then, in the absence of partnership deed, some provisions and some rules we discussed about their salary. This salary is not partner's salary. This salary is the salary of our employees. So, partner's salary, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawings, and so on. And if no deed is there, how to distribute profit? We can distribute profit equally or loss equally. So, what to do? Which account we have to prepare for dividing all these items or allotting money or allotting profit or sharing this profit to the all those items. So, some items are charged against the profit. Some items are appropriation of profit. That means if you have profit or not, if you don't have the enough profit, then also we have to make the payment of salary, rent, etc. Wages, etc. Such items we call charge against the profit, and partner's salary, interest on capital, interest on commission, interest on drawings we are receiving from partners. So these items are not charge against the profit. These are appropriation of profit. So now we are going to discuss about profit and loss appropriation account for making these all appropriations. So profit and loss appropriation account. This account is merely an extension of the profit and loss account of the firm. It shows how profits are appropriated or distributed among the partners. This profit, how we are distributing or appropriating among the partners. All adjustment in respect of partner's salary, partner's commission, interest on capital, interest on drawings, etc. are made through this account. It starts with net profit or net loss as per profit and loss account is transferred to this account. What is the result of profit and loss account? That profit or loss we are transferring to this new account. Then we are making all appropriation. Okay, let us go to the profit and loss appropriation account. This is an image with this account I prepared with an imaginary figure. These all items are my own imagination only, not the real question based. This is just some numbers I put for explaining this question. So from here 19,500 rupees we received or we generated as our profit through profit and loss account or through our business operation this year. So we are transferred that net profit to 19,500 here. First we are transferred this one to our credit side. If it is a loss, it should come in this side. Okay. Next, interest on capital. Interest on capital, these all items you will get the hint from your question. So interest on capital, here 1500 x, two members are here. Imagine 1500, that total amount I put here 3000 rupees. Salary to partner, salary, both the partners who are getting salary 1000, 2000 rupees. Commission to the partner, both the partners are getting commission 500, total 1000. Interest on partners loan, only wife getting interest on loan. Firm took some loan from wife, so we are giving interest on loan to wife, that's 1000 rupees. And next, interest on drawing. X withdrawn some amount from firm, their capital. So we are charging interest on drawing. Our partnership deed allowing us to charge interest on drawing. So we charge 1000 rupees from Y. It's the income of our firm. So here total 19,500 plus 10,000, 20,500 rupees, we are getting the total amount. So what are our expenses? Interest on capital, salary to partner, commission to partner, interest on partner's loan, these are the expenses. So 3,000, 2,000, 5,000, 6,000 and 10,000. That 7,000 rupees we are deducting from this 20,500 and we are getting 13,500 rupees as the balance profit. This profit, this available profit, we are distributing among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Here they are not saying anything about this profit sharing ratio, so I distributed here equally. Equally, the 13,500 distributed equally to them and it transferred to their capital account. Is it clear? This is the profit and loss appropriation account. Almost all items came here. If any extra items, we will discuss later. So it is also a nominal account. It is an extension of the P&L account, debiting all expenses and losses and crediting all income and gains of the firm. So then how to write journal entries? How to write, if you are passing something to drawing something, we have to pass journal entries. Then only we can continue with the ledger account. So here, how to write journal entries? Transfer of the balance of profit and loss to profit and loss appropriation account. First, we are transferred this net profit to here profit and loss appropriation account. What's the journal entry? Okay, if we are distributing here itself, it is transferring to transferred to Ankit capital account. Instead of that, we are transferring this here to P&L appropriation account. So what's the journal entry? If profit and loss account shows a credit balance, that is the net profit, journal entry is profit and loss account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. What is the journal entry? Journal entry is profit and loss account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Here profit and loss accounts coming in the credit side. So profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. So it should come in the credit side. So if it is a loss, what's the journal entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debit to P&L account, profit and loss account. So what should be the interest on capital? Interest on capital came in the debit side. You know very well what's the journal entry? Profit and loss account debtor to interest on profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. We'll check here. Interest on capital. Okay, first of all, for crediting interest on capital to partner's capital account, first we have to credit this amount to the partner's capital account. We are giving this amount to the partners. So we should pass another one journal entry. What's the journal entry? Interest on capital account debit to partners capital account or current account, as the case may be. Otherwise, individually means interest on capital account debit to X capital account, Y capital account, Z capital account. How many partners are there? You have to transfer to their capital account. Then only we can transfer profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital account. Is it clear now? Here in this debit side, you know very well how to write journal entry. Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital, salary to partners, commission to partners, interest on loan, etc. In here also, interest on drawings account debtor to P&L appropriation account. Before that, you have to make the another one journal entry. First, we are making amount these payments to the partners. So, write that is the interest on capital account debtor to concerned partners capital account. So, here salary to partners, salary to partner account, debtor to X capital account to Y capital account. Here, interest on drawings, their capital account, X capital account debtor to interest on drawings. Check here, is it correct or not? Profit and loss appropriation for interest on capital account debit to partners capital or current account. Interest on drawing, partners capital or current account individually to interest on drawings account. And for transferring this account to profit and loss appropriation account, interest on drawing account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Next, partners salaries account. For crediting partners salary to partners capital account, salary to partners account debit to partners capital or current account, and then profit and loss appropriation account debit to salary to partners account. So like that, partners commission and share of profit and loss appropriation if it is a profit, what's the journal entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital or current account. This balance we are dividing among the partners and writing profit and loss appropriation account debtor to S capital and Y capital. This is a journal entry. Next, how to solve one problem. I will explain how to solve one problem. Go through this video 2-3 times and then try to solve that. I am not solving the full problem here. I am giving the hints. This is your work. You have to solve this problem. Amit, Babu and Charu set up a partnership firm on 1st April 2015. They contributed rupees 50,000, rupees 40,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively as their capital and agreed to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Amit is to be paid a salary of rupees 1,000 per month and Babu a commission of rupees 5,000. It is also provided that interest to be allowed on capital at 6% per annum. The drawings of the year were Amit rupees 6,000, Babu rupees 4,000, Charu rupees 2,000. Interest on drawing of rupees 270 was charged on Amit's drawings, 180 on Babu's drawings and rupees 90 on Charu's drawings. Net profit as per profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2015 were 35,660 rupees. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account to show the distribution of profit among the partners. Here, from this given information, you have to prepare a profit and loss appropriation account. Here they are given the profit is 35,660. Okay, then how to prepare a working note. Salary to Amit. Come here. Amit to be paid a salary of rupees 10,000 per month. 10,000 per month means 10,000 into 1,000 per month. That means 1,000 into 12. That is 12,000 rupees. Okay. So I wrote like this here 12,000 rupees. Then Babu a commission. Babu getting a commission of rupees 5,000 rupees. And interest on capital. Interest on capital it is given. Interest to be allowed on capital 6% per annum. Like that only information given. So we understood that is 6%, 6 by 100 per annum. So entire year we have to calculate. So what's the capital contribution? Amit 50,000, next person 40,000 and another person 30,000. So we have to calculate here interest on capital, Amit capital into rate divided by 100, 50,000 into 6 by 100, 3,000. You have to prepare this Babu's interest on capital and Charu's interest on capital. No need to transfer this capital account or drawing account to P&L appropriation account. Keep that very clear. That is that don't transfer, should not transfer this capital account amount and here drawings amount they are given. Drawing for the year, these two amounts should not transfer to the P&L appropriation account. You should transfer only interest. Here then interest on drawing they are given directly. So 270 and 180 and rupees 90 each respectively. So you are writing whole here interest on drawing how much we are writing here. Then we are going to preparation of P&L appropriation account. We are writing first 35,660 rupees here. And then we are going to the appropriation interest on capital. Amit, we are calculated 3,000 rupees. I wrote here. Then you have to calculate how much is the here and here. And then put underline here and write the total amount outside column. Salary to the partner, only Amit getting this one. So I put here and outside column I put 12,000 rupees. So commission to the partner, Babu, how much you are getting? That is the, you have to calculate and then here we wrote here 5,000 rupees. That 5,000 rupees you have to write here, enter, either you can write here or you can write directly here only one amount. Okay, and next interest on rank here 270 is directly given here 270 and 90 and 180. Their respective column you have to write this one. Okay, then this total put into the outer column. Then afterwards you are doing this 35,660 and then here you are getting one amount. You should add, you will get 36,200 rupees as a total. Okay. From that total, you have to deduct all those amount. Here some amount is there. Here is the amount. This three amount should come here outer column. You deduct that amount from this 36,200. You will get the amount 12,000. It's a net profit. After calculating all those things, you should get this amount. Okay, and then this amount you distributed among their profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. From where we will get that amount? We will get from here 3:2:1. So in this amount you distributed in this ratio, you will get the amount. You should write here this amount, these three amount we are transferring to the partner's capital account. I think understood this one. This is one assignment for you. The next account. These are the illustrations, means the NCERT textbook illustration questions only. You have to go through this account and prepare profit and loss appropriation account and submit this one. If any doubt, you can ask the doubt through various mode. Thank you.